Have you ever wondered how to turn off Wi-Fi on your device for WhatsApp? In this video, you will learn how to make WhatsApp using only mobile data while keeping Wi-Fi active for other apps. Watch until the end to discover a useful life hack. First, open WhatsApp on your device. And afterwards, pretty much access the settings. So if you're using the Android, tap on the three-dot menu right here in the Chats tab. And if you're using an iPhone, click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner. So anyways, when you have accessed the settings, here scroll down to the storage and data. And afterwards, open the proxy section and click Set up the proxy. In the proxy host field, enter any random IP address such as 123.45.67.89. Click this arrow to enable it. Make sure that here everything is set up. And this will enable the proxy. You can also check how it works in the chat. So now WhatsApp uses only your mobile data, and when you're not using the mobile data, the messages probably won't be sent. So open any chat to try this out. Type in any message and click send. And as you can see, it will pretty much not be delivered. So even when Wi-Fi is on for all of your other apps, the WhatsApp will not use it. If this video helps you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.